Mr. Devendra Singh, PNB Circle Head, and Mr. Srinivas, Branch Head, FC Road. Respected Professor Prabhat Ranjan, Vice Chancellor, DYPIU. Respected Chief Finance Officer, Mr. B.H. Sharma. Respected Directors, Deans, Principals of various institutes of our campus, HODs, Registrar, dear faculty and staff members. On behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, I am Mrs. Trupti Wagh, Assistant Professor from DYPCOE. Welcome you all for the pleasant presence here for the NAAC celebration of our campus. Let us once give a huge round of applause for all of us, for everyone from College of Engineering, Pharmacy and Architecture for getting the stamp from National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Of course, this achievement was not possible without a teamwork of all principals, vice principals, NAAC coordinators, criteria heads, mentors, question coordinators, portfolio handlers and staff members. But at the same time, the strong and tireless support provided by our management has raised our confidence to a next level. हा सोहळा आजचा सुखद आणि अभिमानाचा क्षण हा आपल्या संस्थाचालकांचे पाठबळ, संचालकांचे मार्गदर्शन आणि आपणा सर्वांचे अथक प्रयत्न याचीच पोचपावती आहे. फॉर ओपनिंग दिस इव्हिनिंग ॲज पर अवर रिच ट्रेडिशन अँड टू सीक द ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम मा सरस्वती, आय इन्व्हाइट तेजस सर, डिरेक्टर सर, CFO सर, मालती मॅम, व्यवहारे सर and Dhananjay Chaudhary sir to light the lamp. ज्योत पेटवूया, मन उजळवूया. आपल्या आकुर्डी कुटुंबासाठी हा आनंद सोहळा साजरा करताना आपल्या संकुलातील सर्वांच्या योगदानाचा सन्मान करणे आवश्यक आहे. प्रातिनिधिक स्वरूपात आपल्या महाविद्यालयाचे सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रतिनिधी म्हणजेच प्राचार्यांचा सन्मान आता इथे संपन्न होणार आहे. नॅक मान्यता आणि स्वायत्ततेचा दर्जा म्हणजे आपल्या शिक्षणाला नव्या क्षितिजांकडे वाटचाल करण्याची संधी आहे. ही संधी आम्हाला आमच्या प्राचार्य मालती मॅडम यांच्या मेटिक्युलस प्लॅनिंग, कीन गायडन्स आणि स्ट्रॉंग सपोर्ट मुळेच मिळाली आहे. सर्वप्रथम मी आमंत्रित करते डॉक्टर मिसेस पी मालती, प्रिन्सिपल DY पाटील कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग आकुर्डी फॉर द फेलिसिटेशन. I request Tejas sir to do the honors. Let's have a huge round of applause for Malti ma'am for getting NAAC accreditation and autonomy both. Ma'am, under your able leadership, we all have given very tight fight for this to happen. This is really a proud achievement for all of us. परिस्थिती कोणतीही असो, तिला मानवी वळण देण्याचं सामर्थ्य असलेली व्यक्ती, स्वतःपासून समूहापर्यंत विकासाचे स्वप्न उराशी बाळगून असते. त्या स्वप्नांना सत्यात उतरवण्याची निश्चय बुद्धी, सामर्थ्याची जाणीव असलेली असते. असं आपल्या संकुलातील व्यक्तिमत्व म्हणजे डॉक्टर नीरज व्यवहारे, प्रिन्सिपल डॉक्टर DY पाटील कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी. मी तेजस सरांना रिक्वेस्ट करते की डॉक्टर नीरज व्यवहारे सरांचा सन्मान करा. टाळ्यांच्या गजरात आपण त्यांचं अभिनंदन करूया. थँक्यू सर फॉर डुईंग दी ऑनर्स. साधन आणि अभिलाषा यात स्वतःच्या प्रयत्नांनी मेळ घालावा लागतो आणि हे ज्यांना जमतं तिथेच यश, समृद्धी, संपन्नता येते. अशीच अभिलाषा असणारे आर्किटेक्चर धनंजय चौधरी सर, प्रिन्सिपल डॉक्टर DY पाटील कॉलेज ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर. मी तेजस सरांना रिक्वेस्ट करते की धनंजय चौधरी सरांचा सन्मान करण्यात यावा. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्यांनी आपण सर्वांचंच हार्दिक अभिनंदन करूया. मान्यवरांचे आभार, सन्मानार्थी आणि त्यांच्या महाविद्यालयाचे हार्दिक अभिनंदन. या क्षणी एवढंच म्हणावंसं वाटतं, दे शारदे ध्वज कीर्ती दे, उभवो सदा वृद्धी यश स्फूर्ती दे. अंतरंगी प्रत्येकाच्या श्रद्धा निष्ठा एकभाव वसू दे. ज्ञानव्रत अंगीकारण्या साधनेचे बळ मिळू दे. स्वागत करूया यश आणि प्रगतीचे. या संपूर्ण प्रक्रियेत आपल्यासोबत सदैव असणारे आपले विश्वस्त आदरणीय श्रीयुत तेजस पाटील सरांचं खंबीर नेतृत्व अत्यंत मोलाचं ठरलंय. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्यांनी आपण तेजस सरांचं स्वागत करूया. मी आदरणीय तेजस पाटील सरांना आपलं मनोगत व्यक्त करण्याची विनंती करते.
Hello, and I wish a very good evening to all the teachers, principals and all the staff members present here. I think we have gathered here today to celebrate the achievement of 3 colleges, the NAAC accreditation that the colleges have achieved, and all the staff that has worked tirelessly, especially on Saturdays and Sundays. I want to thank you all for working so hard. It is because of you that we've achieved such a milestone for all the 3 colleges, and I think NAAC also keeps us on our toes always, and I think in the future the management will always try to make this process easier and making it digital, introducing new ERPs that would help all of you to make this process easier on the coming years. And I thank you everyone again, and take a leave. Thank you.
Thank you sir for your words of appreciation. संस्था चालकाची सचोटी आणि विवेकदृष्टी, संचालक मंडळांचे मार्गदर्शन, प्राचार्यांची सकारात्मक भूमिका, प्राध्यापकांचे महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदान आणि शिक्षकेतर बंधूंचे सहकार्य यामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांचे शैक्षणिक आणि नैतिक मूल्य निश्चितच वृद्धिंगत होतात. विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपल्या अध्ययनात दाखवलेल्या कर्तबीमुळे आपल्या महाविद्यालयाचा निश्चितच गौरव वाढतो.
सर्वांना मैत्रीपूर्ण नमस्कार. अतिशय आनंद वाटतो तुम्हाला भेटल्यानंतर, आणि सतीश साहेबाचा पोवाडा गात असताना मनामध्ये एक ऊर्जा निर्माण होती. तर मी दिलीप आठवले, DY पाटील कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग अक्रोळी पुणे, मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंट. आज या ठिकाणी सतीश साहेबांचा पोवाडा साजरा करता येईल. दोस्तों, पहाड़ों से टकराता उसे पोलाद कहते हैं. दोस्तों, पहाड़ों से टकराता उसे पोलाद कहते हैं. पोलाद से टकराता उसे आहक कहते हैं. आहक से टकराता उसे सागर कहते हैं. और सागर से टकराता है उसे सतेज पाटील साहब कहते हैं. ओम नमो श्री जगदंबे, ओम नमो श्री जगदंबे. नमन तुझा अंबे करुण प्रहारंबे. डपावर थापतून तुन्यातान, डपावर थापतून तुन्यातान. शाही रहा महाराष्ट्राचा प्राण, शाही रहा महाराष्ट्राचा प्राण. सतेज पाटीलचे गात गुणगान जी हाजी, सतेज साहेबांचे गात गुणगान जी हाजी. नमन माझे शिवाजी राजाला नमन माझे शिवाजी राजाला, शाहू राजाला, महात्मा गांधीला, फुले आंबेडकरांच्या वाहून कार्याला शाहिराने साज चढविला, पूर्ण चढवून शाहिरी साज आला. शाहीर आठवले गात पवड्याला, गात पवड्याला जी हाजी, गात पवड्याला जी हाजी. 1972 सालाला, 1972 सालाला एप्रिल महिन्याला 12 तारखेला करवीर नगरीला शांताही बोले पतीला, शांताही बोले पतीला. DY पाटील साहेबांच्या हातामध्ये गोंडस बाळ म्हणजे सतेज साहेबाला हातात देत काय म्हणते, पुत्रपोटी आला जन्माला, पुत्रपोटी आला जन्माला. राष्ट्राचे कल्याण करण्याला, कल्याण करण्याला जी हाजी, कल्याण करण्याला जी हाजी. सतेज ठेवून बाळाचे नाव, सतेज ठेवून बाळाचे नाव. आई म्हणते बंटी बाळ, आई म्हणते बंटी बाळ. बाळ वाढतो चंद्रकलेनी, बाळ वाढतो चंद्रकलेनी. आईच्या अगाध मायेनी, आईच्या अगाध मायेनी. साहेबाच्या कार्याचा थाट, साहेबाच्या कार्याचा थाट. विद्यार्थ्याची बांधली मोठ, विद्यार्थ्याची बांधली मोठ. शेतकऱ्यांना केले संघटित, केले संघटित जी हाजी, केले संघटित जी हाजी. उंचविले समाज कार्याला उंचविले समाज कार्याला. आनंद झाला जनतेला, आनंद झाला जनतेला. जनतेचा केला विकास, समाजाचा लागला ध्यास. साहेबावर मोठा विश्वास, साहेबावर मोठा विश्वास. दिन रात करती प्रयास, करती प्रयास जी हाजी, करती प्रयास जी हाजी. कोल्हापूरला वारणा पंचनद्या या नद्यांना महापूर आला होता. कोल्हापूरला वारणा पंचनदी नद्यांना महापूर आला होता. नद्याकाठची सर्व गावे पाण्याखाली बुडाली होती. जनतेचा जीव धोक्यात होता आणि त्याला वाचवण्यासाठी साहेब स्वतः होडीवर स्वार झाले होते आणि पाण्यामधून काढत होते. 2019 साल आला, 2019 साल आला. पाऊस पडतो जोरा जोरात, पाऊस पडतो जोरा जोरात. कोल्हापूर बुडले पाण्यात, कोल्हापूर बुडले पाण्यात. पाणी शिरले घरा घरात, पाणी शिरले घरा घरात. अन्न वस्त्र नव्हता निवारा, अन्न वस्त्र नव्हता निवारा. सतेज साहेब होते सोबतीला, होते सोबतीला जी हाजी, होते सोबतीला जी हाजी. लोकनेता ज्ञानी झुंजारे, लोकनेता ज्ञानी झुंजार. करी परिस्थितीवर वाल, करी परिस्थितीवर वार. दिन आला 30 डिसेंबर, पालकमंत्री झाले कोल्हापूर. गृह राज्यमंत्री ही खर, ढोलताशा वाजे कोल्हापूर, ढोलताशा वाजे कोल्हापूर. भविष्यवाणी सांगे शाहीर, भविष्यवाणी सांगे शाहीर. मुख्यमंत्री पुढे होणार, पुढे होणार जी हाजी, पुढे होणार जी हाजी. एक दोन मुलं असावीत, एक दोन मुलं असावीत. ही पहिल्या लाईनीत जी बसले तशी असावी. आणि दुसरं मुलं असावं ते पण पाठीमाग आहेत, जे शिक्षक आहेत त्यांच्यासारखी असावं. एक दोन मुलं असावीत, पहिल्या लाईनीत बसल्यासारखी असावीत आणि दुसऱ्या लाईनीत बसल्यासारखी असावीत. म्हणून देशाचं, राष्ट्राचं आणि समाजाचं आणि विद्यार्थ्याचं कल्याण करणारी असावी. म्हणून धन्य धन्य DY प्रीती वर्णुमी किती भारतभर कीर्ती. काव्य माझे हे अपुरे पडणार, काव्य माझे हे अपुरे पडणार. ज्ञानविद्येचे दिव्य भांडार, ज्ञानविद्येचे दिव्य भांडार. तयाना मुजरा हो त्रिवार जी हाजी, तयाना मुजरा हो त्रिवार जी हाजी. यशवंतराव आजोबा मानसे तिचे ध्यान पिकवित असे सोन. मनामध्ये भक्ती पंढरीची, नाही त्या खंड त्या वारीची. पताका हाती विठ्ठलाची जी हाजी. विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी विठ्ठल, विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी विठ्ठल. सतेज साहेबांचा विजय असो. पाठीमागना आवाज आला पाहिजे, सतेज साहेबाला कानावर गेला पाहिजे. सतेज साहेबांचा, सतेज साहेबांचा, सतेज साहेबांचा. धन्यवाद.
खूप धन्यवाद. वोट ऑफ थँक्स प्रपोज करण्यासाठी मी डॉक्टर नीरज व्यवहारे सर, प्रिन्सिपल डॉक्टर DY पाटील कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी यांना स्टेजवर आमंत्रित करते.
Good evening all. So on behalf of all the three colleges, DY Patil College of Engineering, DY Patil College of Architecture and DY Patil College of Pharmacy, I am here to extend the vote of thanks for the organization of this wonderful evening by our management. I was just observing the performances, and since we all are in the NAC mode or accreditation mode 24/7, so I was thinking that there is no performance from pharmacy. So I decided that that must be the reason why I have been chosen for giving the vote of thanks. At the same time, I have decided that the NAC says that we should be committed for the holistic development of the student, and this is one of the important part. So I was just requesting director sir that next time my first question to the during interview will be, are you able to sing a song or perform a dance? Then and only then we will give some grace marks. Before that, I was thinking that I can train my faculties and I myself can train by appointing some choreographer or something like that. Then I thought that instead of going for this approval process, let's choose the second option. Yes, yes, sir. So for me, it was a very difficult challenge that because all of you know that our college has gone for the DDVB and revisit, and maintaining the enthusiasm of the team for the second time was the most difficult task for all of us. But Tejas sir, I would say that our campus is so fabulous that we can perform at any level. If you see that the Dhananjay sir, so he has submitted the IIK the last and the first person he was trying get through and get A grade, so he played a 20-20 match. We were preparing lots, so I was a one day, our match was one day, but because of rains it has organized on the second day, but we could maintain our performance. And looking at the huge, what we can say, the huge area of DYPCOE, they played the 5 days match, and even all these departments have performed. So our campus can play any role, 20-20, one day, even repeat one day, and the 5 days. That is what is surprising and most pleasing for you, sir, and that is because of the study support of management. So, vote of thanks is very important because all 3 colleges have achieved these different grades, but it was a combination and the support of all of us, like as an entire campus. So, first and foremost, I would like to extend sincere thanks to our Dada because of his blessing, because everyone who comes, irrespective of the college and committee from wherever they come from the pan-India region, they all respect the Dada, and they know that the creation of this Dada about this campus and in the education system. So the first thanks to the Dada. Then our chairman sir, Sri Satish Patil sir, in spite of his busy schedule, he was continuously in touch with us, specifically during these 2 days. I still remember that I was about to reach to the airport to receive the chairman sir and chairman of the NAC committee, and sir has given a call whether the chairman has reached or not. Means in his busy schedule he was remembering that the NAC of colleges are going on, and that is, I think, experience of every one of us. Because of his continuous support, we could achieve all these things. Of course, our young and dynamic Tejas Patil sir is with us 24/7, and his mentoring, his inputs and association with us gives a different type of energy. I have witnessed that whenever the Tejas sir comes, the things become very easy, and he gives the solution to us, and that is what is the management with us. Of course, our director sir, that the silent person who will observe and give his input in a most polite way. That if anything is going wrong, he will not say that this is wrong, but he will say that this can be corrected in this particular way. I think that is giving us the boost, that without getting demoralized, that we get the double energy to do the performance well. And most important thing, what I have observed him, that when he comes, like he has come to our college, he said that itna kaam main kar lunga, don't worry for that, you take care of your part. That is what is the sharing and caring approach that sir has shown. So that's why we could go through this process very efficiently. Of course, our president sir, Sanjay Patil sir, he is not here or visiting, but still he always take care of all of us, gives the guidance, and whenever there is some suggestion that we required, he used to give, and that we have experienced all of us. So special thanks to Sanjay sir. Then our group director Gupta sir, he has visited the college, or online also he has given the typical inputs, which are, I would say, the quality inputs and last time input that he has given. Special thanks to our CFO sir, that because of his support, we could do the many things in a short span of life, short span of a given time. During that period, we have seen that he used to be a very efficient, and he used to give all these things with inputs, and that has made the things easy to compare for this. Then of course, VC sir for his moral support, he used to give the support whenever we talk to him. Then principals of all the sister institutes, as he said that we work as a team. So even if we never felt that it is accreditation of pharmacy or it's accreditation of architecture college, rather than all the principals under the leadership of campus directors work together, and everybody has contributed on their own, either by themselves or giving some inputs or sending their faculty, staffs for helping each other, and that gives a sense of bonding, sense of family, sense of belongingness, and the things becomes very easy for us. So specifically, Kondekar sir for security, hospitality, Jagtap sir for Vermi post, A.V. Patil madam for extending support in terms of e-waste management, solar management, then Kalwale sir for photography, artistic view. Deshpande sir, I would say that for pharmacy, he was an integral part. We never felt that the Deshpande sir and his team was not part of the DYP COP accreditation all around. Every state he was there. So what I think that if I get a chance, I would recommend NAC that they should be granted the NAC, because they were 24/7 with DYP COP. Then Malti madam for all-round support, Nirmala madam for the e-support, then Shalaka madam for drafting and guidance related things, Jasmita Kaur madam, of course the placement very big and important criteria in the entire thing. She has given a very valuable inputs and the support and the things which becomes very easy for us. Then HR madam, Pankaj Kumar sir also, specifically for pharmacy, because we share the same building. So his 2-3 days support during the inspection was very good. I hope all of you understand, no need to say. Dr. Vinay Kulkarni, very hard when I used to say that कि आपका काम नहीं हुआ तो I'll call Vinay Kulkarni sir. So the people used to complete the things because they know that Vinay Kulkarni sir is very typical and a very result oriented person. So he will ask and you cannot make him like fool and other things. मला काही सांगू शकतील पण त्यांना सांगू शकणार नाही. So Vinay Kulkarni sir also came 2-3 times and really given a very valuable input that has increased our benchmark and we could achieve what we have achieved. Then our mentor college, D.Y. Patil Pimpri, that was our mentor college under Paramarsh scheme. So principal Dr. Chitlange has come 2-3 times and given a very important valuable inputs. Our mock experts, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, similarly the mock experts for the architecture college, mock expert for COE. I extend the thanks on behalf of 3 of us. Then SPPU representatives time to time, I think Dr. Mane had come for DYP COE, Dr. Sangeeta Jagtap had come for all of us, and that gives the contribution of our colleges in the SPPU, which also gives a different type of flavor to this committee. Then all the stakeholders of colleges, internal stakeholders and external stakeholders, they have really given a wonderful support to us, and some of the faculty also worked in a dual fashion, that is stakeholders. Samantha Bendre madam from Applied Arts is also a local guardian of one of our students. So like this, many of them have played the dual role. In campus, we have formulated various committees like audit committee, flyer committee, hostel committee, cultural committee. All of them have really contributed and make the documentation very strong and flawless. Similarly, the infrastructure, we are also known for the infrastructure. So infrastructure management, creation of facilities, and for that Sudhanshu Patak sir, Marwar sir has really relentlessly contributed, irrespective of the time. Whenever we ask for the help, they have given. Then almost every committee in my college, and of course it will be same for all the colleges, have appreciated about the cleanliness of the campus, discipline of the campus, and of course the credit goes to Captain Darade and his team, Anil Jadhav, and even one of the committee members says that the creation of infrastructure is one part, but the maintaining the infrastructure is another important part which they have observed and noted, and BG Bhosle and his team, the credit goes to them. They have also contributed. Some of our central systems, they have appreciated a lot. For that, Dr. Umrajkar sir, Dr. Babar sir for appraisal committee has really taken efforts, and that gives an added advantage while we were explaining the things to the committee. Then for pharmacy, specifically pharmacy, because we are from pharmacy background, so we are not very much about the techno-savvy. So for our e-support, Anil Hulsure sir, Praveen Gund sir, and Rahul Kadu has really extended the help. For the drafting purpose, Rahul Chaudhary sir, Sara D'Souza madam, Adherang sir, Pallavi madam, Magar sir, Sharad sir, all these people have helped for pharmacy for various purposes, and I hope that should be the same case. Pradeep Patil also has given a valuable support to make all the quality displays, because while taking the round they have noted all these things. These are the points which I have collected when they interacted amongst themselves and interacted with us and noted down that these are the unique points that they have noted down while visiting the campus and the college. Then of course, the most important is the internal stakeholder, that is the students, because the student satisfaction survey has a very important role, and I think all the colleges students have given a very good rating to us, and that indirectly help us to get the good marks during this PTV. And faculty member and staff members, I think madam said, sir said that Saturday and Sunday, that is very important. All of them have really sacrificed their Saturdays, Sundays and holidays relentlessly, and of course my faculty has spent double, because we have people. So in one match we have got the double experience. So special thanks to faculty and staff for contributing in a very immense way. And again, if you come down to this one, NAC coordinator, IQAC coordinators of all the colleges, because of their efforts, we could get this thing. Our felicitation today is an representative of the college, but basically if you look at this NAC criteria, NAC coordinator is much more important. Principal presentation is the only area where principal has to contribute, but the rest of the part they have contributed. So special thanks to NAC coordinator, IQAC coordinator and criteria heads for handling their responsibility, domain specific responsibility in a very important manner. As I said that the faculty and staff has really sacrificed their Saturday, Sunday. Those special thanks to their counterparts, including the counterparts of principals and even for that matter director sir, because he comes 40-50 kilometers, so it takes 2 hours, but all of them CFO sir. So special thanks to the counterparts or the family members who has allowed us to work day and night, and because of that we could achieve and see these fruits of all these things. So these are the various people they have contributed. By mistake if I have not recollected the names of anyone, but that is not the case. Everyone has contributed, because the NAC accreditation is an outcome of a team event. It is called as team event. So my sincere thanks to everyone, including Rashmi madam also has contributed on the behalf of the director office, principal madam, all these principals, Pillai madam has also contributed, and because of this now special advance thanks to Dr. K.T. Jadhav, because we know that once the college is accredited, how to take the mileage of that accreditation, he knows better, nobody knows better than him. So you will be helping us for this particular point of thing. Of course, we have got the good grades, I would say, as compared to the other colleges and the current NAC scenario which is going on, but still we need to be in continuous process of improvement. So we all have listed down the list of improvements, prepare the PPTs for that what are the inputs they have given and where is the area of improvement that we have noted down. We have already started. We will be giving presentation, because directors will say that okay, that is the part, accreditation, appreciation is very important. But wherever we are having the area of improvement, that also we should work on that. And after his guidance, we have, all colleges have started some preparation of this one, and the area of observations. There are some area of improvements and there are some area of observation that they have given, that also we have noted. And with this, I, on behalf of all the principals, sirs, I assure you, Tejas sir, that as a campus under the leadership of campus director sir, we will achieve such a milestone, and we will give you the many more chances to organize such events for all of us, sir. And again, thanks to the management sparing the time, valuable time, Tejas sir, for today's function, for wonderful organization and initiation by director sir and team, and the cultural team, those who have organized all these things. Special thanks to all of them, because getting the grade, achieving the things is one part, but its appreciation really makes the difference. And today we feel that yes, we have achieved and we have been recognized and appreciated by the management. So thank you sir for organizing this wonderful night, and thank you one and all.